Hello! Today we have some special guests in our kitchen today with us to make something special. What are we making, girls?
The peanut butter banana muffin.
And what are your names? Can you please tell our viewers?
Anya Anand. And my name's Amira Anand.
Wow. Acha, Anya, which year are you in?
1C.
1C. And how about you, Amira?
Year 3D.
3D. Very good. So let's start making now. Okay? So shall we start with the dry ingredients first?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So we're gonna put 1 cup of oat flour. And a mixture of salt and cinnamon.
Yes.
And then baking powder.
So Anya, you can stir this, and Amira, you can mix the wet ingredients. Okay?
So first we're gonna put peanut butter.
Yes. Maybe you need that. Yes.
Yeah. Because it's not liquid peanut butter, but it's still wet.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put the mashed ripe bananas. That went out quickly.
So this recipe has nut butter, peanut butter, not the dairy butter.
Then the maple syrup.
Anya is doing a very good job.
Yeah.
Mixing it very nicely.
We always help my mama cook.
Oh, she does.
Yeah.
Very good. What is this, Amira?
This is the
Vanilla.
vanilla extract.
Yes. Okay.
There's
That's
many
good.
names for the vanilla extract.
Yes. And some dairy-free milk.
Yes. I love milk.
You love milk? Very good.
Actually, the maple syrup and the vanilla extract looks like Coca-Cola.
Yeah. It does actually. The color is like that.
Now the color is golden brown.
Very good.
My mama always tells me.
Okay. What are we doing now, Amira and Anya?
Cracking the eggs.
Yes. Very good. Well done, girls. Wow, Myra, that's excellent.
A bit chill. You mean Anya?
We can take it out. You can put it here. So now Myra and Anya are doing what?
Mixing the egg.
Yes.
Since we've cracked it.
Very good.
It's turning
well done.
such bright yellow now. Anya's is still a bit orange. So we can mix it quickly.
Sometimes the yolks colors are different from each other, you know?
Look, Anya's is like a peach now.
Yeah. So now you can add it in the wet batter.
Yeah, come on, Anya.
Okay.
Let's put it. Wait, mine is still.
That's fine. You can put it.
Okay, let's put
Very good.
yellow yolk.
Yes, very good.
It's such a
This
nice
is impressive, girls. Let me hold this. You can clean it. You want to clean it, Amira?
Anya's doing a very good job.
Anya is also doing, and Amira, both are very well
You know,
trained.
this is not our first time cooking.
Oh, no wonder I can see that. Yes.
Okay, come on, Anya, let's mix it. Ooh, this is heavy. Wait. Oh my god.
Okay. Now we will fold it like this. Like this.
I'm gonna slowly.
You can mix and I will pour it.
I'm gonna slowly put the batter. I'll put this one. We'll mix together. Yeah, Anya, come on, hold this. Hold the spatula. We have to put this. No, wait, do we have to put this, the chocolate chips? Because it's all
Remove
stuck on the
from
spatula.
here.
Big.
Thank you. Now put the chocolate chips. Very good. And
Now
Amira
let's
will mix.
fold it. Now all the dry ingredients is coming to the top.
Yeah.
Now this looks like a cookie dough batter.
Yes. So Amara, you were telling me about your math.
Yeah, yesterday we had a maths test. But the people at home, because we do like alternate days, but I go every day to school because like a few weeks ago you had a choice to go to school every day. So Anya and I, we go to school every single day. And the people at home, they did it on a Google form. They had a choice to do it on paper or on a Google form. But all the year 3 teachers, they love doing it on paper. So we did the test on paper and I got 15 out of 15.
Ah, that's excellent.
It was kind of easy because some people don't really know their times tables and like time. But I got all the questions right and I got a house point. House points are like these points for like, because there's 4 different house teams. So there's Anya and I are in Osprey. There's Merlin, Falcon, and Kestrel.
Wow, that's
And
excellent.
yellow,
Nice names.
Osprey is yellow, Merlin is green, Falcon is red, and Kestrel is blue.
Very good. Excellent, Anya. You're using all your muscles. Very good.
And then at the end of the year, we count how many house points we have and send it to one of the PE teachers, and then she reads out the names in the house assembly.
Oh, that's good. When they call your name, huh? You feel happy?
No, not the name.
No?
It's like they call the house team.
House
who
team.
wins. Like,
Okay.
Like first to last.
Okay.
First to fourth.
First of all. Okay. Now we'll pour it in the cupcakes. Okay?
And last year we won. So now we're gonna scoop the batter with the scooper. And then flatten it on the side of the bowl.
Yes. And just see how much you want in the
Because the cupcake will rise.
You want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, and then maybe it'll be too much.
Yes. Very good.
And I'm gonna put 2 chocolate chips on them.
Okay, you put 2 chocolate chips on each.
Are you done with one? You're done with one?
Yeah. It's okay.
Well, it's good because there's enough chocolate chips in the batter anyways.
Yes. Okay.
So that's why we're gonna only put 2 on the top.
And as you can see, this is a teamwork.
Yes.
Yeah.
For 3 girls, for girl
Yes, team is important. Yes, right, girls?
Girl power.
Girl power.
I always love that phrase, girl power.
Girl power, of course.
Because we're girls.
We are girls and we are a team.
Power.
And girls support girls, right?
Yes.
Girls also support boys.
Yes.
That's also nice.
Because we don't let each other down.
Yes. So Anya, you have all of these to fill, okay?
Yeah. But only the ones that have batter in.
Yes. She has lots of them. We can move this here.
Yes, quite a few.
And you can put
I put eyes. I put eyes.
Yes.
I'm getting ready for my Or maybe like an alien. So one alien has an eye and a mouth.
One more you have, Anya.
All the ones that are finished. Oh, I forgot. I need to put this one.
You want to hold here? Okay.
And then where's else have to do this one?
Okay, you want to do that one also?
Yeah, I forgot about that one.
No problem, we'll do that. Okay. Very good. This is done. More for you, Anya. And here.
This is fun.
This is fun?
Yeah, I love doing fun stuff.
Me too.
Because I'm always bored in the house. Instead of thinking I can watch iPad.
Oh.
I think of doing other stuff.
So this is good, right?
Yeah.
We are good busy. Constructive work.
Sometimes I draw, sometimes I play Jenga, sometimes I talk to my Nani and Nana, but that's still on the iPad.
Yeah. That's also important.
Because you have to see your family always.
Of course.
Otherwise,
of course.
they'll miss you too much.
Yeah. We are always there for our families, right?
Yes. And we always love them. The big scoopers.
Big scoop,
It's
oopsie.
like an ice cream scooper. Is it?
Yeah, it is sort of.
Eyes.
it
I'm
is-
making all eyes.
Good.
I'm making eyes.
It's the cookie scoop. It's smaller than the ice cream scoop.
Yeah, I can tell.
Good. Okay, now what are we doing?
Putting it in the oven
Yes.
because we are done.
Yes.
See our cupcakes. This time it has more chocolate chips.
Yes.
It has
Okay,
only
now girls, how is it?
good. We're gonna try a bite. It's amazing.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, let me try also. Nice. It's moist and it has the chocolate flavor, and the banana is giving it keeping it moist, right?
Because that's why it's called a banana. The peanut butter banana.
And what do you
Tastes
want
like
to
banana.
name it?
The
Magic?
magic banana.
Yes. Thank you, Amira, and thank you, Anya, for helping me muffins.
You're welcome, Mommy Auntie.
Thank you, sweetheart.